Dear students, I'm going to give you just a brief description of mobile communication. Please remember, it is a communication. It is a use of technology to communicate with others without the use of any physical connection. Probably you have remembered in the olden days we use a telephone with a wire connection, but now the most of the communication which is happening through wireless. So one such communication is mobile communication, and in our day-to-day activities we are exclusively used this type of communication, and in all this the communication is happening without any physical connection of the wire or cable. The best example is our mobile phone. When we go back to the history, you see, probably, there are three classified, we can classify it into three eras. So here I'm just telling about it is a wireless communication. Please remember, before this wireless communication, there was a telephone communication. Those days it was used through wire, but this is a communication we started without a wire. So it was already, it has classified into three eras. That is, one is called till 1920, we call it as the pioneer era. From 1920 to 1979, we call it as a pre-cellular era. Then after 1979, we call it as a cellular era. Till 1920, the first commercial mobile telephone system, please remember, it was launched in the Bell Laboratories in 1946, and only few lucky customers got the service. And please remember the one difference which we have observed now. In the beginning of this mobile communication, the mobile phones which they were using, it was stationary. So there is a car, I think probably you can see in this picture, there is a car and the antenna is fitted with this car. And this car is moving in the street, and wherever there is a mobile phone, it is catching the signal through this one. This is what it is happening. But now we are moving anywhere and there is a tower. Please remember, one of the important component in a mobile communication is a network tower. So wherever we are moving and there is a tower, and this tower will continuously can track the signal and receive the signal and transmit the signal. But in the beginning of the wireless communication, there is a car fitted with the antenna which is moving into the areas, and then it is used in that way. And early mobile system, it is uses an analog frequency modulation, but now the technique what we are using is a GSM technology. Probably you have all, you can observe in your mobile phone also, there is a called LTE, long-term evolution. This is a technology we are using, but in this I'm just giving you the development. See, when it comes to the cellular era, there is the major challenge to the mobile communication is the constraint of the bandwidth. The bandwidth allocation is the major problem in the earlier days. So this bandwidth problem, now it is eliminated using the concept, it is called cellular concept. According to the cellular concept, in a simple way, I can say, each mobile phone is considered as one cell. Each mobile phone is considered as one cell, and the connection is made between one cell to another. So this is called the cellular concept. So this was started, and few countries which here it is, they started this technology. And please remember, in the earlier cellular communication, there is no compatibility between the countries. So that was the real challenge for us. Means now we have a GSM technology. So it is 85% of the world uses GSM technology, and it is compatible to the other countries. So in that way, we can call any place, anywhere, this one. So some of the countries which they have started is North America, digital advanced mobile phone system. European countries, they have started GSM, but they have started after 1980. Then Japanese digital cellular, then UK, cordless telephone. European countries, again they use digital European cordless telephone. But after 1992 onwards, the entire world has accepted only one standard, that is GSM. But 85% of the country now the spread to GSM, but only few countries, that is especially the US, they followed the CDMA technology. Okay, so this is what. Thank you. This is about this is about just a very brief explanation about the how this mobile communication is started, and after 1992, that is GSM technology was started. Thank you.